Dear participants, good morning all of you. I am Dr. K.S. Tamil Selvi, Assistant Professor of Botany, PSG Krishnamurthy College for Women, Coimbatore. Today I am going to talk to you about the modern trends in plant taxonomy. Here we will be seeing about what is taxonomy, the types of classification of plant kingdom, modern system of classification, APG system of classification, chemotaxonomy, serotaxonomy, karyotaxonomy, molecular taxonomy, DNA barcoding, and cladistics. Taxonomy is one of the oldest fields of biological sciences. In ancient times, the agriculturists and herbalists started gathering information about plants and they passed on the information from one generation to another. Taxonomy is the science of classification of organisms, including its basis, principles, rules, and procedures. The term taxonomy was introduced by A.P.D. Candle, a famous botanist, and the taxonomy deals with the description, identification, nomenclature, and classification of biological organisms. The term systematics is often confused with taxonomy, and taxonomy deals with description, identification, nomenclature, and classification, whereas systematics studies the diversification of species. It governs the evolutionary history and phylogenetic relationships in addition to taxonomy. So, taxonomy plus phylogeny will give you the systematics. Taxonomy deals with the description. Description is the listing of characters and attributes of a particular taxon. Identification is recognizing an unknown specimen with an already known specimen and assigning it to the correct rank and position in the classification. And this can be done with the help of floras, manuals, monographs, revisions, and with the help of keys, or also with the help of the herbarium specimens or authentic specimen that is available, or you can talk with the expert and get it identified, or it can be identified with the help of web resources like Florabase, and there are many more to mention. And nomenclature deals with the naming of the taxa with the correct name, and it should be a valid name, and it is governed by the rules framed by International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. Now it is ICN, International Code of Nomenclature for Algae, Fungi, and Plants. And these codes and rules and regulations were updated every 6 years. Classification is the arrangement of organisms into groups based on the similarities of those organisms. Coming to the types of classification, there are 3 types of classification. First one is the artificial classification, which was dominant from the 300 BC up to the early 19th century. It is based on few observable characters like habit, floral characters, and fruit characters. Example, Linnaean system of classification, which was followed by the natural system, where the overall resemblances in the morphology were taken into consideration, and many systems were given based on this. And one example is Bentham and Walker's classification. With the invent of the Darwin's theory of evolution, people started thinking in the phylogenetic aspect, and they started using as many characters as possible for classification, and they gave the phylogenetic interpretation in their classification. Example, Engler and Prandtl system, Hutchinson system of classification. And the modern system of classification encompasses the knowledge of the plants from various branches of botany like anatomy, embryology, cytology, phytochemistry, molecular biology, etc. And modern system of classification is a synthetic approach which evaluates all type of characters related to plant form, structure, and function. And example for a modern system of classification is Arthur Cronquist classification, Dahlgren system of classification, and the more recent APG system of classification. And this system of APG stands for Angiosperm Phylogeny Group System. It is mostly based on the phylogenetic data. And this system keeps evolving because uh, as and when the new sets of data from various fields of botany comes in, the system is ought to change. And this system is mostly molecular based, and they consider the phylogeny of the flowering plants based on the cladistic analysis. They organized plants into a selected number of monophyletic suprafamilial groups. Angiosperm phylogeny group is an international group of systematic botanists across the world. They collaborate and they come to a conclusion on the taxonomy of flowering plants, and they classify the plants according to the phylogenetic relationships discovered through many phylogenetic studies. APG considered that the previous classifications were all based on polyphyletic groups, but they wanted it to be monophyletic groups, and they consider this polyphyletic arrangement of the plants as a deficiency, and they wanted to overcome this. And the impetus came from a molecular study of 5,000 flowering plants, and which was published in the year 1993. And this study was based on one photosynthetic gene, RBCL. And later on, the monophyletic groups were classified based on the molecular data of DNA sequences of two chloroplast genes, that is ATPB and RBCL, and one nuclear gene. ATPB stands for ATP synthetase subunit beta, and RBCL stands for ribulose biphosphate carboxylase gene. And the nuclear gene is the nuclear ribosomal 18S DNA gene sequence. In addition to these genes, information from various fields like morphology, anatomy, embryology, phytochemistry, karyology, and palynology also were taken into consideration. The principles of APG system includes that the lineage system of orders and families were maintained, and orders are considered to be of particular value in studying the family relationships, and they considered monophyletic groups, otherwise called as clades, which includes all the descendants of a common ancestor. And they maintained a limited number of orders which will be larger in size, and above the level of orders and families, the term clades are used. Some clades have later been given formal names. As of now, there are 4 versions of APG is available. APG 1 is published in the year 1998, 2 in 2003, 3 in 2009, and 4 in 2016. APG 1, which is published in the year 1998 as an ordinal classification for the families of flowering plants in the journal Annals of the Mussoorie Botanical Garden. It includes 462 flowering plant families, 40 monophyletic orders. In addition to these two, there were a small number of monophyletic informal higher groups, which includes monocots, commelinoids, eudicots, core eudicots, rosettes, and asterids. The classification also includes number of unassigned families and families with uncertain position, and this is due to the insufficient data that were available at that time. And APG2 system is the second version, and now it is obsolete. It recognizes 45 orders and 457 families, 39 of which are not placed in any order, but 36 of this 39 was placed in a supraordinal clade. And APG3 is published in 3 papers, and it includes 430 families and 59 orders. APG4, which is published in 2016, recognizes 64 orders, 416 families, of which 259 families are represented in India. They classified angiosperms into 3 clades: early angiosperms, monocots, and eudicots. And this is the outline of APG4 system. You can see the early angiosperms, monocots, and eudicots. Eudicots including superastrids, superrosids, and early diverging eudicots. Early angiosperms includes 8 orders and 26 families, which includes amborellales, nymphaeals, astrobiales, magnolids, and chloranthales. The characteristics of early angiosperms are they have seeds with two cotyledons, ethereal oils are present, leaves are simple reticulate veined, and each floral will have many parts, perianth usually spirally arranged and in parts of three, stamens with broad filaments, tetrasporangiate anthers, monocelcate pollen, nectar is rare, carpels usually free and with a very small embryo. Monocots includes 11 orders and 77 families, includes basal monocots, lilioids, and commonets. The characteristics of monocots are that seeds are with single cotyledon, primary root very short-lived, single adaxial chlorophyll will be present, ethereal oils rarely present. It includes mostly herbaceous plants, and vascular cambium is absent. Vascular bundles are scattered in the stem. Leaves simple and parallel veined. Fluoroparts usually in threes. Perianth often composed of tepals. Monocelcate pollen. Styles normally hollow, and microsporogenesis is successive. Eudicots includes 45 orders and 313 families. Includes early diverging eudicots and superrosids and superastrids. Characteristics of eudicots are that seeds with two cotyledons, trilacunar nodes will be present with the three leaf traces, anamocytic stomata, ethereal oils rarely present, includes woody or herbaceous plants, leaves simple or compound and reticulate veined, floral parts mostly in twos, fours, or fives. Microsporogenesis is simultaneous, style solid and tricolpate pollen. The APG system of classification is now being increasingly accepted in many parts of the world, and many collections in the herbarium botanical gardens are being changed into APG system. And the Kew Herbaria is also changing their collections according to the APG system. The influential world checklist of selected plant families released from Kew is also being updated to the APG3 system. Some of the photographic surveys of the plants of USA and Canada is organized according to the APG3 system. The latest edition of the flora of the British Isles from UK is also based on APG3 system.